Welcome to the Lost 10 Mil. Today we're in a 1997 Ford Probe 2 litre 16 valve. We're going to have a look at the heater switch. It seemed to have fallen into the dash, so there's no blowers inside, so it's absolutely freezing inside. And I spin you around, let you have a look. As you can see, it's fallen in. So what we're going to have to do is take all this dash off, this front panel, and get to it and see what's going on. First things first, as you can see, there's the button. That's one piece. All these just clip in like that. We've got to take Cyril off if he wants to come off. There we go. I should really sort that out. There we go. Just excuse all the wiring. It's an ongoing thing. Next thing is we take these two screws off down bottom. This car has actually got quite a lot of things wired into it. That's hence the wires. A lot of this was done before I bought the car. So, this car is not actually mine, it's the wife's, but I have to look after it. Right. And then that just pulls off. There we go. More lovely wires. And then we just take these two screws out. And then all this unit should actually just fall out, basically. I think I'm going to have to open the unit up to sort this problem out. It's a shame really, because I did actually throw, I had 4 spare, oh there it is. I had 4 spare of them and I actually threw them all away because at the time I didn't need them. So we just got some plugs at the back, and that 2 there, and then that wire goes there. So we just leave that one in. But we have to undo that one. Hard work doing it with one hand. Just pull it off. Get it out. So, that's that one undone. Just pull these out quite quick. There we go. Now that's nice and free. So just zoom you out. There we go. That's more better. So by the looks of it, it's actually the plastic housing what's given way. So it's a pretty shame though, because I did actually throw a load of these away. By the time when you're collecting stuff, it's just it's no good. You just can't keep hold of everything. I think I'm gonna have to glue it. So I'll come back to you once I've glued it all back in. And just like that, it's all put back. I used a hot glue gun because I thought that one might be more better, especially going into a switch. You don't want super glue going into there, and plus it won't harm any electrical connectors like that if you get it on it. You see, it can be took back off and it can be just peeled back off, so but for now it will do until I can get a new one. And then it's just same again, reverse what you've just done, putting it all back together and seeing if it works, because I know this car had another problem down there. One of the wires has burnt out and it didn't work on, I think it was number 4, but it worked on the rest of them. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it will work and the wife will be happy. Sorry about that. Right, it works on 4, but it doesn't work on 1, 2 and 3. So that's to do with that down there. But I'm happy. It works. Yay! Right. I won't show you the rest of it putting it back together because it's a bit boring. It's probably this video is probably a bit boring, but my first